Hold. Let's play counter. Yo, careful, careful. Careful, West side also.
Careful.
We're gonna
They have
conquer.
intake now.
Look, they're gonna do a quick engage here. They're looking to kill tanks. Def.
Southeast gate yung laban, Urias.
May daw.
I mean, Southeast gate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't go past the choke. Don't go past the choke. Aray ko yung ano mo yung guard runes mo sa choke lang. Hindi mo kailangan lumapit. I'm waiting for regears here. We can't kill any like this. Come north side. Pull them in. Second party DPS goes southwest. Careful. Careful middle. Look.
Ay, malapit na kami Meadow Gate.
Kaya tumawag si Yami. Si Yami yun.
Care. Def. Look. Inside. Look. Walk in. Walk. Ready. Just wait. Look at me. Just on your crown. 3, 2, 1 on your crown. Ah, fuck. I missed. Come back. Yo, hold them down. Hold them down. Def. Oh, no. That's fake. Hold on.
Careful, guys.
Careful. My riggers are here. Okay, good.
Need
Okay,
healers
naman,
from
no?
Southwest.
Party 2, just hold your Isa.
Almost full.
Can you feel this magic in the air? Look, they're looking north side. They're trying to hit you, boys. Hold on. Careful. They're trying to hit north side. Look. Def on Strig. Trey. Oh my god, Trey. Yeah, they still have engaged here. Just wait. DPS be ready to hit. We're gonna hit shallow DPS. Trey War, what are you doing?
9.
And
Ready. Give me Hellion Hood on the gate. Do we have Hellion Hoods? Yeah, we have Hellion Hoods. Ready, Hellion Hood gate now. Wait. Yeah, ready. Southeast 3, 2, 1. DPS hit me. And then ready full defense here. Ready full defense. They're gonna try and walk in. Def now. Full defense. Heal me. Somebody heal me.
Oh, gago, namatay si Urios.
Healers, hello.
go
Take over,
inside.
Igo.
Go inside. Move inside.
Go inside. Lem is looking.
Yeah. Somebody stream.
Do you have a
Eagles.
camper?
Inside over the
Walk
wall,
on
guys.
Yeah, shut
Inside,
up,
go inside.
everybody. Follow the shield.
Namatay si Rosas.
Oh, Dia's here. Dia, can you call?
Sigo ata, pwede.
Okay, Ego call.
Lagi nakapush to talk ako. Go back.
Okay, wait. Go back. Careful.
Click the gate.
Saan tayo? Pakarpet ba tayo or pasag
No.
sa gate?
Just stay inside.
Okay.
You could roll them there.
Purple carpet.
Ayan, pwede ka magsalita. Hindi na ako push to.
Careful. I'm coming back already.
Ay, gago na DC pala si
Dito
Rosas.
pwede ka mag-call.
Okay. Just wait. Keep spreading, guys. Don't clamp up. They're gonna engage on you once the gate is broke. We're gonna look for counter, okay? Just ready defensive, okay? Ditang's up front. Let's just wait.
Spread.
Ready. Defend. Now walk in. Ready on the gate. 3, 2. Minaw. Nice hit. Go back now. Go back now.
Go back. Tanks, full hold.
Go back now.
Night armors.
Good. Nice. Keep healthy.
Spread out,
Keep healthy.
Tanks,
Just
careful,
wait,
ah.
just wait again, just wait again.
6 seconds.
Giling.
Defend.
Miss.
Now,
Ready,
delay now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the shield down. Delete this. Now, go back again. Go back. Just wait. Nice. They're gonna engage again, huh? Be careful.
51-150 sa bridge.
Defend me. They miss. Walk now. Shallow now. Ready in 3,
Blob
2,
going to
1. Shallow on me now.
to
Shallow on
middle.
me.
Okay.
Nice. Go back fast. Nice shallow.
Wait, ready
Go back
defense, ready
fast.
defense.
Left.
Defend now.
Left.
Nice defend.
Ready gigs, ready gigs.
6
Yeah,
seconds.
healing.
Just heard that. Go back now. Go back. They're pulling out.
Ego.
They're
Blob
pulling
full
out.
zoning.
Ego-
Blob full zoning.
Ego, you could manage. Just call.
Fenar. Blob full zoning now.
Okay. Copy.
Bonking sa north.
Let them out. Don't follow them. Don't follow.
Vagabond.
Pabiro
Vagabond
talaga.
Fenar.
Tangina mo dyan,
We'll
ah.
wait for Gears,
Wala
we'll
pala
wait
tayong
for Gears.
chariot.
Hahampas talaga, no?
Gago naka-push to kasi ako sa main comms. Go back now. Go back.
Meeting.
Defend. Oh my god.
Hold me now. Touch me now.
It's okay. How many died?
Coming back.
Just
one.
Two.
Ano to?
Wala si
Fenar
Dark.
yan. Fenar Vagabond. Alpha.
Don't let them pull you. Don't follow them,
Elemental
guys.
boss.
Don't follow them.
Tumakbo
Because
sila
if
kay
you
Lembo.
follow them, they're gonna
Hindi,
panic.
Tumatakbo sila kanina.
Lumalaban.
Nagkakite ang konti.
-2 main party
Yeah, no shit. Come on.
Yeah, don't follow them. Ditang skip and eyes on them. Don't follow them. If you're not a Ditang, stay here.
Malaki-laki Alpha.
Yeah, we could run them over.
Is it another guild?
Oh,
Everyone,
another
everyone
alliance.
mount up first, mount up first. It's alliance.
Another alliance.
No.
Stay in the middle, stay in the
Eighteen.
middle.
Mount
You're
up for
fine.
now.
You're-
Mount up
Level
for
18.
AD.
Level 18.
Yeah,
Basag
yeah,
yung
yeah,
ano,
you're
basag yung
Ego.
door, Orios.
Yeah, you're fine,
Okay,
you're
that's
fine.
fine.
Stay inside.
Ah,
Yeah,
they,
just mount
Wala.
up for now. They're
nasa
moving in now. We're gonna fight
Dismounted,
this. We're
dismounted.
gonna fight this.
Dismounted.
Be careful, be
Go
careful.
back out to the castle now. Out to the castle first.
No,
out to the castle.
no. I'm here. Care.
Okay, ready here. Okay.
Help Darkblue, help
Dismount here.
Darkblue.
Dismount here.
Fight,
Dismount here,
Ego,
dismount here.
fight. Malapit na ako.
Dismount here.
Ito, nakapag-click out to.
Slowly walk in. Click the gate now. Click the gate.
Meron
Click the
Vega Band
gate,
sa
click
ano.
the gate. Makakabalik, di ka makakabalik.
Click the gate. Look on the
Care.
shield. Look on the
Gig.
shield. Look on the shield.
Drink your gig pot.
Just
Go,
wait.
go,
They're
go,
gonna
Ego.
engage. They have engage. Be careful. Slowly walking in. Tap and tanks. Go front. Oh no. Go back. They're pulling us out. Just wait. Take over.
Vega Band sa
Just wait,
southwest
just wait.
mo, Ego.
Bam.
Bam.
Bagal na
Nice.
reaction.
Nice reaction.
In V-bomb pala.
Be careful. They have inbibam. Okay.
In B range bomb.
Just wait. They're gonna
Ibang
engage.
guild
They're
yan
gonna
yung
engage.
sa kabilang side, Orios.
Ready defend.
Just
Ready
figure and come
defend.
back. Just figure and come back, guys.
Anong comp?
They're pulling us. They're
Sir,
pulling us.
kailangan ko
Don't
ng
come,
ng
don't come.
Spike. Kailangan ko spike.
Putong ano mo.
Anong
We're gonna
Be
engage
careful
on
on
the
in.
Brawl,
brawl,
brawl.
Careful on in.
Be
I'm
careful.
here. Careful, don't go over the walls. Come on side. Careful, master.
Nabak tanks.
Come in. Pull them in. Careful. They're gonna hit. Nice guardians. Yo, wait now. Wait. Yo, deep tanks, I need you to locate the bomb. Ano yun, wailing?
Oh,
in
in
B.
V whale.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's a
okay.
wailing.
Listen.
Wailing is
Come
worse.
west side. Don't stack over the walls. Look, if their main Zerg hits, we walk in. Party 2 mount up. DPS mount up. Look for the wailing bomb. When you see them, dismount after they hit. Okay? Hold now. My party stay with me.
Nasa malapit sa suicide yung
Party
in
2 follow
V-bomb.
Ego. Party 2
Yeah. Heal
follow
me.
Ego,
Heal me.
please.
Somebody heal me. Heal me, please. Somebody. We don't have beams. Okay. Careful.
Vega Band.
Careful. Look at me. You're gonna shallow. DPS ready. Shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Nice. Good hit. And then come back. Def. Nice clear. Walk. Everybody walk. Everybody walk. Everybody walk. Everybody walk. Everybody walk. Everybody walk. Just walk with me. Walk with me. Look there. Go south. Spread south of me. Healers. I need you to come back. Healers. Care, go south. Go in the Terry. I'm waiting for regroups, boys. Look, they're looking. Def. I'm good. Look. You're gonna shallow on the tanks inside you. Look. Shallow tanks inside you. 3, 2,
Ang ano.
1. Tanks inside us now. Oh man, we missed.
May ganker sa incline.
Yeah,
Ano
come
yun,
south. Come south.
naglag ka ba dun?
Hindi. Na ano ako, na ano yun, infernal. Ay, purple! Wala, purple!
Hello, naglag ka.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
They're looking, boys. They're gonna hit the choke here. Come, food OC if you haven't. Riggers, come back. Go in first. Go in. You don't need to come to me. You don't need to come here.
Range yan, ah. Range
Yeah,
engage.
Get off the chokes, boys. Get off the chokes, please.
Map check again, boss.
Verge.
Verge.
Razor Rock Verge.
Where are my healers? How many healers do I have right now?
1 sa 10 party.
Care. They're
Bawi
looking.
dito.
Don't
Isa
pick, guys.
foreign.
Don't pick. They are range.
No, actually, wait. Party 2 is still here, right? Ready on this bedrock. 3. Never mind. We missed.
Infernal.
Yeah.
Aray ko.
Ready on
25
this
people.
bedrock.
Away na kami.
Yeah. Actually, come back. No. Don't clamp up. Def,
GG.
they missed again.
Gankers
God.
on incline, be careful.
Help me deep. Ready, look at me, DPS, look at me, DPS, look at me, look at me. 3,
Up,
2,
up, up.
1, shallow inside us. And then come back.
Don't go
Somebody
to
heal
the
me,
road.
somebody heal me. Okay,
Don't go
good
to the
job.
road, guys.
Yo, def, clear.
Hoy, gago, GNA kayo.
Yo, heal me over the walls, please. Nesco, get out. Yo, come back first. We're missing on healers, boys. Come back. I'm waiting for the full party.
Dalawa lang ata healer mo, ah. Ay, tatlo pala.
Ano yung ping?
These guys always wants to fuck with us, you know, like. Where are you, my healers?
Incline.
Ano yung gankers sa incline?
May gankers lang sa incline.
Okay. Wait lang.
Yun
Care.
yung side
Look, get out. Spread out the choke. Tangina, binabalista ako, puta.
Ikaw ko.
May tripang ka, boy.
These guys are doing, bro. Like, careful over the walls. They're gonna hit over the walls. They got Shaper.
Range din yun. Naka-rip blade.
Yeah.
Kite clap.
Be ready.
Easy.
Party 2 DPS. Are you ready?
Ready?
Vital, andito ba kayo?
Ito na kami.
Yeah, we just zone.
Engaging
Walk,
shipper.
Everybody walk. Just walk. Spread and brawl. Go hit the backline. Somebody heal me, please. Yo, can somebody heal me?
Pag-guard
Wait,
rune ng ano, pre.
Nakakaano.
Yeah. Just spread and brawl. You putang ina. Hello. Heal me.
Hindi kami makalapit.
Low
Wait,
serious,
wait.
low serious.
Oh my god.
Mamatay na naman si
Heal me, please. I'm
Andito sila.
They're coming back.
Looking.
Nandito pa
Yo.
sila sa ano, party 2.
Yo, can you guys come out northeast kid?
Pink kang Aureus.
Diyan na siya.
Yan sila eh. Andito sila sa east eh. Careful.
Yeah,
GG.
okay. Come south.
Naging
All of them
Darius,
come out.
They missed.
Come out.
Ready, Darius.
Yeah. Come out. Just walk. Keep walking
May
and
CD
spread
na
out.
to, ah.
Yeah, keep walking and spread out and brawl. Go to the DPS. If you could wrap south and north, wrap now. Be ready. Look at me. Just wait. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. On your crown. And then ready your defense here. Ready. Just run them over. Ready. Gig pot. Ready. Keep walking. Fingers on your clerics. Hold on now. Yeah. Fingers on your clerics now. Yeah, just keep walking, boys. Just keep walking.
Ready,
Keep
Arius.
walking. Ready. Be careful here. Careful. Look, if you're beside me, careful. Brawl the ones that are behind, okay? Look. Spread, boys. Spread. Careful. Ready. Boots. Ego, fake na. Ready. On the
Silence ego.
Drink your gig. On the choke. 3, 2, 1. Choke now. Blow this up.
Bang, go.
And then come back. Def together. And then, yo. They engage. Wait. Come back. Yeah. Come back. Hold on. Yo, wait. Hold them. Keep holding them. Yo, if you don't have defensives, come down. If you don't have defensives, come down. Yeah. Spread.
Looking at
Tanks
sila
keep
kaya,
holding
no?
them. Yeah,
Kay
tanks
Dia.
keep holding them.
Ay, si Igo,
Heal
please.
Dia. Heal. Careful. Heal me on the southeast. Ready. You're gonna engage shallow. Wait. You're gonna engage shallow on the tanks here. Hold on. Ready. Just by the choke, okay? Just by the choke. Wait. They're looking. Nice. They miss.
Nice
Walk.
GA.
Everybody walk. Just walk. Actually, wait. Hold on. Inside you. Tanks inside you. Look at me. Tanks inside you. 3, 2, 1. Tanks inside. Just drop you in the tanks and then come back. Come back. We miss. Come back. Yo, can we kidnap tanks here? Careful west side, boys. Careful west side. Good job. Care. Just chill out.
Touching.
Let me know cool down. Come southwest a little bit.
Ready,
Careful.
Orius.
They're looking. Ready. Walk. Everybody walk. Just walk. Ready. Choke. Gig pot. Drink your gig.
Cardroom, please. Oh my God.
Ready. Just wait. Ready. Gig. 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Full sun choke. Good job. And then comes outside. Yo. Actually, brawl them in. Walk in. Tanks step in. Brawl them in.
Keep pushing, Orias. Keep pushing.
Yeah. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Mama.
Yeah.
Running na, full
Spread.
running.
They're kiting north.
No, not yet. Yeah. Not whole space, guys. Okay, just take those.
Oh, puta, may naka-crossbow.
Uy, mamot.
Dismount if you see me, and then food OC.
Some of them dismounted. They dismounted on the bend. This is their front on my ping.
Be
Pwede
ready.
ma-engage on Orius.
Be ready. Hold them. Can we hold them? Anybody?
They're going north. This is their front. They OC'd Orius.
Yeah. Ready. Look at me. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Kill this guy. Kill him, and then come back fast.
Looking
Tanks,
Orius.
hold them, yeah.
They're
They're walking
looking
in. Yeah. Bird, gig pot. Use your gigs, and then pass through the choke. Def. Clear. Meron ba akong tingog? Cleric, boys. Cleric, come back down. Yeah. Nice guard runes.
Ready,
there.
Orius.
Yeah. Help Dark Blue on the west.
Ito sa
Heal.
spirit natin.
Heal. Ready, west. 3, 2, 1. On me. Hit this.
Silence.
GA.
Ah,
GA kami.
yeah. It's fine. Break through. Just break through.
Bam.
Punish
I
this
got
tank
you,
here.
dark blue.
Yeah, punish this tank here. Punish him. QW. Hold him. Def. Ready. Just wait.
5 seconds.
Just wait. Come back southeast.
Engage
Shaper.
Shaper.
Bird. Def. Cleric. Navi. Heal. Drop Judy's in the middle. Heal down knee. Drop Judy, boys. QW the people inside you. Look.
Putang ina.
QW. Down knee namatay ka. Ready. Look.
Oh.
Inside. Look inside. Ready. Inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. And then brawl east side. Brawl the east side, and then hold the west. Tanks hold the west. Spread, boys. Def. Gig pot. Spread out. Jesus Christ. Spread out. Spread and brawl. Full brawl. Ready. On my east. All your east. With all your east. 3, 2, 1. All your east on me. And then spread out again. Drop Judy's. Keep holding them. Yeah, keep holding them. Yo, come south. Oh my god. Guys, come south. Why the fuck are you clumping up? Spread out, boys. Spread out.
Orius.
Look at me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. On your crown. Hit me. Oh my god. Spread. Keep walking. Help us on the front here. Help us on the front here. Spread out.
Engage sila.
Yeah, I know. Spread. Look. By the bend. Look. 3, 2, 1. Crown now. Crown. I lag. What's happening? Ego call.
Wala.
Low.
Yeah.
Go
Spread
south for
and roll
now,
lang,
go
boys.
south,
Spread and boys.
Kite south.
Mana
Just
problems.
Spread.
Shit.
Just spread. Keep
Ready
walking
na ako.
south.
Ready na
Don't
iya.
go too far. Don't go too far. You're
Bird.
gonna lose the part,
Bird.
you know? Don't go
Patay na
too
si
far.
Orius.
Don't go too far.
Just
Find
spread.
the shield.
Spread and get out.
Run.
Guys, let's wait for them to engage. Just keep walking, and then DPS start wrapping. Careful. Start wrapping north side. Wrap north side now. Wrap north side. Look. Brawl the north side. Brawl. Walk in, boys. Walk in. Walk into the backline, please. Walk into the backline. Come west side here. Come west. Look, I'm on the ping. DPS, I'm on the ping. My Judy here. Look. Help the north. Ready. North side. 3, After J, 2, 1. Inside us now. Inside us now. Inside us now. Blow this up. Blow this up. And then roll the roll the bird north side. Roll the bird north side. Roll the bird north side. Look, roll the bird. Def. Nice, good job. You're fine. You're fine. Yo, full brawl now. Full brawl. All random me. All random. All random me. All random me. All random me. Look. Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl. Somebody heal me. Nice, good job. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl. Look. First party, look at me. First party, look at me. First party, look at me. North side. 3, 2, 1. Inside. Blow this up. And then drop east. Spread on the sides. Hide on the sides. Heal the middle. Def. Heal the middle. My Judy here. Heal me. Okay, everyone.
Pwede.
Okay, I got the clip. And then all the DPS, submit your votes. Party 2 DPS also submit your votes. You guys